Let's take a look at this image. The features and benefits. Features: 32 megapixel camera. Benefit: crisp, clear, and professional photos. Feature: wireless charging capabilities. Benefits: easy charging, no plugging and unplugging of cables. Features: 8 GB RAM, 1.8 GHz processor. Benefits: no freezing or lagging when playing games or watching videos. Features: fingerprint sensor. Benefit: unlock your phone fast. When writing a persuasive copy, shifting the focus from features to benefit is essential for engaging your audience. Here's a breakdown of how to achieve this. Let's understand the difference. Features are the factual attributes of your product or service. They describe what it is or what it does. On the other hand, benefits explains how this feature will improve the customer's life or solve their problem. They answer the what's in it for me question. Now let's talk about the key strategies to emphasize on benefit over features. Ask so what question. For every feature, ask yourself, so what does this mean for customer? This will help you uncover the underlying benefit. Example: feature: our software has a user-friendly interface. Benefit: our software's user-friendly interface means you can complete tasks faster, more efficiently, giving you more time to focus on. Our software user-friendly interface means you can complete tasks faster and more efficiently, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Focus on the outcome. Emphasize the result your product or service will deliver. How will it make customers' life easier, better, or more enjoyable? Connect with your customer emotionally. Tap into their emotion. Consider how your product or service will make the customer feel. Will it give them peace of mind, save them time, or display their confidence? Use the FAB or feature advantage benefit formula. This framework will help you structure your copy. Features: what the product or service is. Advantage: how these features perform. Benefit: why those advantages matter to the customer. Know your audience. Understand your target audience needs, desire, and pain point. This allows you to tailor your benefit to relate to them. Use vivid language. Paint a picture of how your customer's life will improve. Use descriptive words and phrases that invoke positive emotions. Provide social proof. Testimonial and case study can demonstrate the real world benefit of your product or service. In essence, people don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problem. By focusing on the benefit, you show your customer how your product or service will make their life better. By implementing this strategy, you can create persuasive copy that resonates with your audience and drives result.